This is for air fryer fried tofu. Take your firm tofu and cut it into equal cubes. You're going to take cornstarch and dredge your tofu cube into the cornstarch. Place it onto your tray. Corn side starch up. Spray with avocado oil. Place it into the air fryer at 375 for 15 minutes. Yay! It's gonna come out nice and crunchy. We have fresh ginger that we've cut up. Put it on top of the squares. Top with green onions. Yay! Can't go wrong with lots of green onions. Next is bonito. Put a packet of bonito, which you can buy at a lot of Asian stores. And then dashi and soy sauce mix. Itadakimasu!
Please like us and subscribe.